we focused on Layla, Simon, hairs and patterns. We made our own stamps and we made patterns with paint. And then we did the ink wash and stamped them on our ink washes. This is a art piece and how we made it. We looked at Julia Flanagan and then first we painted it, second we stamped and then we rolled it.
So this is inspired by Karen Warren. He loves tone. Tone means light to dark or dark to light. It was really fun. Our teacher, Miss Wilcox, she gave us brown, white and some other light colours and dark, and we had to mix them together each time with a little more darkness to make it light to dark or dark to light. And it was fun, and at the end we did black squiggly lines. We did a lot of practices, but it was still really fun.
We looked at some Nible huts from Africa and then we looked at some patterns of them. Then we started drawing the patterns on our pieces of paper and then we started making our own Nible huts. We had super glue and super glued them together, and then we got sticks from outside and snapped them and started gluing them onto the top. And then we made some sample paintings up and that was fun. This is our work for Year 4, inspired by Jeff Woodbury. He liked to make maps with lots and lots of layers on it. First we drew lines of our emotions and what they would look like. Then we put it onto these with oil pastels, then put some more paper on it because he liked to do layers. Then we got some wood and made what we made with the paper onto wood. I'm in for white, so we just made it black, but for Red, who's in the other class, made it orange and blue, which makes it a lot cooler. In Year 5, we are looking at an artist called Archamboldo. Archamboldo likes to make portraits out of fruit and vegetables. So before we did this big picture, we drew pictures of fruit and vegetables, and then after that we went to do many other scientists, and then a bit after that we go into groups and then made this really big portrait over here. It took a lot of teamwork and effort, and we got assigned to do each part. Like I got assigned to do the nose and the moustache, and some other kids got to do the head and all that. After we finished our parts, we filled in the gaps with other fruits, and I really enjoyed this session.
So this semester we were doing some bronze armour pieces. So we got the idea from the Benin armour that they used to do hundreds and hundreds of years ago by getting things like simple bronze taps that weren't being used anymore, melting them and casting their own iron pieces, which they used in battle. Yes, it's been quite a fun project.